Alright, this is Chris with Goodland Plumbing. Today's date is February 19th, 2026. Time is about 2:40 p.m. We are at 2324 Bath Street. That's 2324 Bath Street from Meridian Group. Chris with Goodland Plumbing. We're about 48 feet out at connection to City Lateral. We are going from the clean out more west of the building. So if standing at the street, looking at the breezeway between the two sides of the building, we're on the left side of it. About 48 feet out at the connection in Bath Street. It's about 9 foot in depth. We're gonna pull up it because it's a vertical drop right on top. Not going to be able to see much because of the water. So we got our transition to cast here, and then we transition to clay right after the turn. Clay is going to be in pretty rough shape. Got a transition here at about 38 feet from cast iron to SDR. Possible utility line running underneath this due to it only being about a 3-4 foot section cut out. Unfortunately, I was unable to locate this due to cars being parked. Then we'll have our transition from SDR back to cast iron, which is still underneath the cars. We're gonna have a turn right here. Kind of hard to tell if it's going to be a Y or not. On the left side, there is another clean out on the other side of the breezeway that we will camera through and possibly see if that ties into this section right here. Looks like a Y connection. You can see water coming in two different directions intersecting, but we will find that out. I think this is at about 4 foot in depth right before the curb. See, cast in very rough shape. Bottom looks like it may be deteriorated. About 7 feet. Got a transition from cast iron to ABS at about 3'8" in depth. I'm going to roll up our clean out. So here's our clean out along with backwater valve. This is that breezeway that I was talking about that can go through and out to the back parking lot. Other clean out is going to be right on the other side of this breezeway, I think for that side of the building. So we'll end this video off and jump to the other clean out. End the video.